my teeth, comb my hair, get in my seat, mom takes me there. Gonna wave bye-bye, go through the door, learn a little something that I didn't know before. First day of school, and I'm prepared. Oh yeah, alright. I'm gonna be here from 9 to 3. That's an awful long time for me. And I know you're gonna be right back. Gonna see you when I meet you for an after school snack. Well, I built with blocks and learned to count. Then I made some animal sounds. I had a snack, took a nap. I painted a picture of my cat. Then I went outside, I fell down. I got back up, then I ran around. Listened to a story, songs to sing. That's when I heard the school bell ring. I was here for most of the day. There still are plenty of games to play. And you're waiting